What's up, you guys? Me from Tameen Tech Reviews, back in another video, and today I'm going to be covering the Casekoo Airlov CloudCush series. This is the male and female edition. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and talking about the features of this new phone case from Casekoo. It's got some pretty cool features. I'm excited to talk to you guys about it in the unboxing video. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Okay, so here we have the limited edition Casekoo Valentine's Day case. A case that you can give to a loved one, boyfriend, or girlfriend with a very neat and cool design that's very intimate. So here we're gonna unbox it and then we're gonna take a look at what that design looks like. It features some pretty cool things on here. So once you unbox it, you have the wrapping on there. And right now you can see I'm about to unwrap the blue edition, which is the one for the males, and it has very cool 3D printing on it with words and patterns with cool 3D printing tech, and it's covered by the air cushion technology from Casekoo. It's got IML tech to prevent words and patterns from fading away. It's got air cushion tech that's 3 meters of military grade drop protection at the highest level, so it's pretty good drop protection. Here you can see the words in the case. Always be there for you is engraved on the inside. It'll never peel away, and on the outside says you have my words. Pretty cool. Now let's see how it looks in the phone with the iPhone 15 Pro Max titanium. With the natural titanium color, you can see that it easily just slaps on, and you can see how well protected it looks. It's got a really cool design. It looks really good with that gray titanium. You can see how the kickstand works vertically and sideways. You can do it at different angles from 40 degrees to 120 degrees. You can use it as a, you can hold your phone or hold your phone with the ring on your finger, but I usually don't do it that way. I usually just use it as a kickstand. So now we have the pink edition is what we're going to be unboxing. And this one's particularly for the females. And it has a really cool pink color that you're about to see as soon as I unveil it from the box. Same box, same unboxing experience with this phone case. You can see on inside the case, it comes with stickers from Casekoo. They usually give you some cute little stickers with all their phone cases. It's a little nice touch. So here you have a very nice, vibrant pink color with the same 3D print technology inside the air cushion. This one says you have my heart on the outside of the ring. On the inside, it says I love you. Pretty cool that they were so detailed with these cases, all the while having it have the best protection with the air cushion technology. So this just slaps right on pretty easily too. Looks pretty good with the natural gray color as well. You really can't go wrong with the gray color. The gray will go with anything really. So the buttons are very clicky. They work very well, just like in the last phone case. The blue one, the male edition, buttons are very clicky and they work. Good camera protection. Razivity on there is really good. And you can see how thick it kind of makes the phone. Makes the phone a little thicker, but you do get that extra protection in exchange for that extra thickness. Here's how they look together. So when you get it for your boyfriend or girlfriend, you guys will look pretty cool when you have your phones just out eating at the table or something, just having them right next to each other like that.
Drop test with the Casekoo on top of the water heater. Still intact.
So you can use the case to watch your favorite shows, do Zoom calls, FaceTime calls, any type of thing where you just want to use it on a magic stand. It's good to go. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and take care out there. Peace.